life sometimes and I ask why. My heart became like stone and turned to ice. Tell me, what have I become? But you came just in time like a shooting star across my universe out of the dark. Tell me, what have I become?
Take me away. You save me from myself and all I do. 'Cause life just ain't the same when I'm with you. I can climb the sky. Walking on the stars.
I see life through a new set of eyes, set on someone different that I never realized. Outside my mind is a lost world and lies, but step into my thoughts, you believe you can fly. Your words like wings, gravity they defy. My heart like a leaf on the wind catching rides. They say we can't make it, at least we gotta try. We make too much sense to foolishly pass it by. So I'm taking the rainbow up to the 5th floor, stepping out to see that you're really worth more. And I see our love in 3D, no more two-dimensional worries. Climb until the sky don't exist no more. That's when I'll knock on your front door, open to the possibilities I ignore. But I know now exactly what our love was meant for.
You save me from myself and all I do. 'Cause life just ain't the same when I'm with you. I can climb the sky. Walking on the stars. Walking on the stars. I can see my life from way up high. And all the troubles I once knew I left behind. I can climb the sky. Walking on the stars. Walking on the stars.
And I can see much more clear when I'm lost in your atmosphere. You pull me close to the place where you're always waiting. So I won't stop, the walls are down. Make my way at the speed of sound. Hold me now, won't you?
Lord, take me